Hello, namaste, and welcome to this channel. Today we are going to design a 3D model of Boeing 757, a luxury jet, and for this we are going to use Sketchup, Google Sketchup, and before designing the model we have to collect resources such as images, photos, and details about the model. I have prepared a folder for you to do exercise about the tutorial and learn yourself how to design a model. First of all, I have taken reference images and I have downloaded this 3D model, 3D view drawing from the internet, and it has the dimensions, the size of the model. This is the height, this is the length, and this is the wingspan. Okay, so we are going to use this tree view, which has all the necessary views such as side view, front view, and top view. It also has the bottom view, which you can see here, the landing gears, the engine. So it has two views, top view and bottom view. Okay, so we are going to use this model, and I have also collected the cross section. This cross section is that cross section goes here, it goes here, and the second cross section, this, it is slightly stretched like this. You can see the difference. The Boeing 757 has its fuselage, its belly stretched down like this, so it is not a regular tube. Okay, so we are going to design a model. Let's open Sketchup. First of all, you have to set the camera view to parallel projection. Parallel projection gives you the 3 view of the model you are working on. I will give you an example. I have drawn a rectangle and I'm going to make it a cube. Okay, I'll show you how I do this. Okay, in perspective view, the model will be shown with slightly an angle made towards the axis, but in parallel projection the axes are viewed exactly like a plane surface. The front view, side view, and this is top view, and this is perspective view. Okay, so let's design Boeing 757.